In this video, I'm going to answer a question very similar to the one we have for homework. And we're asked here, letting f of x equal to this polynomial, what are the zeros? At which zeros is going to have is the graph going to be tangent? And of those zeros, where is the graph going to intersect the x-axis? Meaning it's going to cross the x-axis. So let's see. To finding the zeros, we have to determine where our polynomial is going to equal to 0. And that's going to simply be the places where each individual factor equals to 0. So for this first factor of x minus 1, that equals to a value of 0 if the value of x is the number 1. For the second one, the 0 would have to be 9. And for the third one, that place would have to be negative 2. So we have 3 zeros, 3 x-intercepts. Now, the second two questions are asking, okay, of those 3, which one is at which location are we going to be tangent to the x-axis? Meaning that the graph is going to touch the x-axis and then bounce off, whether from the bottom or the top. We want to see where that. Well, that's a result of the multiplicity. Since x equals 1 is the result of this factor here with an odd multiplicity, we're not going to be tangent there. We're only tangent if the multiplicity is an even multiplicity. So asking where the graph is tangent is the same thing as asking which zero has an even multiplicity. Well, the only zero to have an even multiplicity is this one right here. 2 is an even number. So since 9 has an even multiplicity, this is the only place that the graph is going to be tangent to the x-axis. And if it's not tangent, well, the other option is that it's going to intersect, and that's results of asking the same thing as at which zero has an odd multiplicity. So this question is the same as this. Well, the zeros that have an odd multiplicity are the factors that are raised to odd numbers. So since x minus 1 is raised to the 5th and x plus 1 is raised to the 1st, both odd numbers, that means that at these locations, 1 and then negative 2, the graph is going to intersect the x-axis.